Meaning of Desperate Dan.
Desperate Dan.
Desperate Dan.
Desperate Dan.
Desperate Dan. Desperate Dan is a British comic strip character created by Dudley Watkins. He is known for his superhuman strength, wild appearance, and love of cow pies. The name Desperate refers to his fearless nature and willingness to take on any challenge, no matter how dangerous, in order to do what he believes is right. He often finds himself in bizarre and surreal situations, but always manages to come out on top. The character remains popular with readers of all ages, and has become an icon of British comic culture.